Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Style by Glam. Today's video, we are doing the September haul. Barely making it because one of the packages just took forever to get here, but I'm glad that at least it got here right on time. Today's September 28th. I'll be posting this on Friday, which would be October 2nd, so I'm kind of like borderline, sliding into October, but it's still September since I got all these stuff during September. I just wanted to make sure I had everything before I finish this video. Today's video, we would have some items from Zara, my usual go-to, Missguided, another usual go-to, and this time also Nasty Gal, which I haven't bought from them for a really long time. So I'm kind of curious to see how their quality have changed, if not, and also just to see how their fit is, because it's been a minute since I bought from them. I think it's been a good 4 years or so, or if not more. Last unboxing or haul would be the shoes I got from Nordstrom's. It's a pair of Gianvito Rossi, and I can't wait to share that with you because I love them. To be very honest, I've already worn them. So the box technically isn't like a fresh open haul. Okay, now let's start the haul. The first item I'm gonna go through are from Zara. I feel like I buy from them almost every month. Little pieces, especially as you can see a lot of times the basics. So I don't know if you guys remember from, I want to say, was it the August haul or was it, yeah, it was the August haul. I got one of the padded shoulder t-shirt muscle tees from them, and I really liked it, so I wanted just an easy basic one from them again, but this time this has elastin here, so when you wear it, it kind of cinches in a little bit. The other one I got was just loose hem. It doesn't have any elastin here. Technically, I guess it's a little bit different, and this one, I purposely got it in white, all-purpose, easy to match. The second item I got from them, it's a little set. It gives me a lot of the 2000s vibe when, Paris Hilton, Lindsay Lohan, and Britney and them were thriving. I mean, they're still thriving, don't get me wrong. But yeah, it gave me that kind of vibe, and I thought it would be really cute for winter. So it's this fuzzy sweater little top. It is a little crop top, and it comes with a matching cardigan. I did buy the cardigan in large so that it has a little bit more of a drape and oversized, even though it still cuts me right at the crop area. And then the top I got in my size, in small. And that's quick and easy for a Zara. Next up, we have Missguided. It's a big bag this time. It's pretty hefty. I'm gonna get all these pieces out first. There's a lot in here. Okay, the first two pieces that I bought were these two corset tops. I got this little green tie-dye one from them. This one is in a cotton fabric. It's definitely on the flimsier side. I was hoping that it wouldn't be so flimsy. I think because it's tie-dye too, they did a wash on it after it's been sewn. Usually the tie-dyes, that's how they've done. So it looks a little bit janky, but I'm gonna steam this out and we can see how the fit goes. The second one, I got it in the lavender color. This one is in a woven fabric, which I feel like is much more sturdy. I like this one a lot more. I feel like it will fit me a lot better. The lavender one is much more, It's in a woven fabric. The detailing is much more precise. Next up, I just got an oversized white color tee because guess what? I still don't have enough. No. I have this one in a baby pink and with the it says Calabasas Hidden Hills on the back. But they came out with this one with Los Angeles, California. And yeah, it's just oversized white tee. And it's cute. Next up, I bought a dress from Missguided. This is the first time purchasing a dress from them. Here it is. It looks very granny-like, I know, but I don't know, I'm really into that granny floral right now. Having that and the lavender color. It does have a little slit here on the bottom. I just think it would look really cute with some combat boots for like matching the elements and having something soft with something feminine with something more masculine like the combat boots. That's the dress. Next up, I got an all black midi dress, knit, ribbed. It's just an all black plain one. I think it will be a great piece to wear with boots and layer with a jacket for the winter time. It's definitely more fitted compared to the other dress. I got two dresses this time. Another black color piece. This is it's just a simple cami, but the outline of the bust area is it's such a 2000s style. Like a simple top. I could totally see like back then I would have worn it with low-rise jeans. I'm never going back to that because that low-rise jeans is just so uncomfortable. It's ridiculous how low the jeans were back in the day, and I know I'm not going back there. I'm wearing my regular jeans and calling it a day. But yeah, I got this. It's just a casual little top, good for layering, wearing it alone, or with a jacket. And the last two pieces I have for Missguided. I've always heard that they have good denim, and given the pricing, so I wanted to try it. And I got this pair of mom jeans. It's ripped right at the knee. Everywhere else, there's no distressing, just at the knee. And yeah, I wanted some mom jeans, something baggier, because the ones that I have from Topshop are more fitted, and I want that like loose, baggy vibe, and wanted to try them out. Last but not least, a denim jacket. This one is kind of a more 80s style oversized denim jacket. It's on the lighter weight. I want to say I have denim jackets that are much more heavier, but I do like the wash, and I like how it's pleated here, like sewn here. It gives it cinched more at the waist. It has that like 80s vibe to it. And the hem here, it's just raw cut and it's just cut off. Cool. Yeah, I'm happy with these. All right, and that's the Missguided box. Now let's move on to Nasty Gal. Nasty Gal. Hello, old friend. I haven't seen you in a while. Okay. First up, we have this little, I've never been into tie-dye, but lately I've been into the tie-dye a lot because it's that soft tone color that they've been using instead of that harsh tone tie-dye. I really like that green, this avocado, well you can see it on my nails too, this avocado green that's been everywhere. So yeah, this piece, it had that and I wanted to. It's just joggers and I think they're super soft. Oh my god, they're really soft. So this is not a real tie-dye, as you can see. It's not dyed through. This is a printed tie-dye side tip, Usually it's cheaper to do printed tie-dye versus a real tie-dye, so that's also why. But they did a good job. I like the print. These days it's good. It's with digital, you can manipulate that tie-dye look much more easily. I think the advancement of what digital print can do. It'll be cute to wear at home, and it'll also be cute to wear out, I think, with a tee and some sneakers. Cool. Also bottoms. This. I guess I've been wanting to switch up my bottoms a little bit. I have so many Topshop jeans, and I have the same pair across the board in different colors, and they are my go-to, but it's nice to kind of style it up and change it up a little bit. So I wanted to try these. The fit looks all right so far from what I can see, but these are the half-half. And it's in the white and nude tone, which I think is perfect for this season. So yeah, I like these. This is really cute. How cute. Next up, we have a tee, a graphic tee. You know, the band tees are super in right now, and I got one, and I love how it, I love this color scheme and print. With just this is a crop version, and that would be cute. Will actually look really cute with the pants. If anything, it would make a cute full outfit. And then the next one, also a blondie band tee, but this time in black, oversized, not cropped. Something cute and simple. Yeah, like it. And then it has the Blondie New York tour in the front, the graphic artwork. And that's finally last piece. You know how I love my hoop earrings. They had a set that was on sale, and I wanted to, because I've been wearing these like thicker ones. And I wanted to, I do have other piercings as well, so I wanted to layer with some other sizes with much more thinner hoops, and especially like the small ones here. These sizes would be good to layer with, because sometimes I wear even bigger ones than these, and it'll look good to layer with these. I think it would be cute. And that is my haul for Nasty Gal. Let's move on to the last item. The last item we have is this. This is the second pair of shoes I bought from them this year. I feel like this brand didn't get enough recognition prior, and I mean, I've always known of this brand, but I've never really paid attention to it. But this year they've been highlighted a lot more, and it's been popping into my vision when I shop online or even at the store. I think shoes are an investment. The shoes that I spend more money on, I wear them season after season, and I do stick to classic styles that I know, and comfortable styles that I know I will wear again and again. So I don't really I don't feel bad for breaking my bank a little bit when it comes to these shoes. Yeah, I'm happy to find another brand that works for me, and they're so comfortable. I've actually already worn them twice out, and that's why there's some parts on the boots, the leathers are a little bit wrinkly already, unfortunately, the wearing of it. But let's get going with this unboxing. Inside we have, I'm gonna put it this way, the dust bag, of course, and lots of tissue paper, because of course we need lots of tissue paper. And these are the babies. This year with all the nude tones, and I always love nude tones and the brown tones, when I saw this pair, I was like, okay, I know I'm gonna keep wearing these. So this, as you can see, there's already wrinkles. My bad. But yeah, this is the shoe. And what I love about these is the zipper here. The zipper here makes it so easy to get in and out of. You don't need to untie the shoelaces. And that's to having an additional pair of combat boots to comfortably wear. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this September haul. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit that bell and get the alert on my next video. Follow me on TikTok, on Instagram if you haven't yet. Thank you. Have an amazing rest of the weekend. See you guys on the next video.